Welcome to Health and Food. Here are 5 delicious smoothies to try for a quick breakfast or afternoon snack. Number 1. Sunshine Smoothies. 2 medium carrots cut in chunks. 1 cup orange juice, half cup lemon, peel included, about half cup unsweetened coconut milk to fill line. Place everything into the NutriBullets and blend until smooth. Make 2 servings. Watermelon Smoothies. 1 and 1 by half cup of watermelon, half cup of strawberries, 1 by third cup of beets, 1 by 4 cup coconut water to the max line. Fill the NutriBullets cup, add coconut water to the max line and blend. Number 3. Peach Smoothies. 1 cup of skim milk, 1 cup of frozen unsweetened peach, 2 tablespoons cold pressed organic flaxseed oil. Place milk and frozen unsweetened peach in blenders and blend for 1 minute. Transfer to glass and stir in flaxseed oil. Number 4. Chocolate Raspberry Smoothie. Half cup of skim or soy milk, vanilla yogurt, 1 by 4 chocolate chips, 1 cup fresh raspberries, handful of ice or cup frozen raspberries. Combine all in blender, blend for 1 minute, transfer into a glass and eat with a spoon. Number 5. Mango Smoothies. 1 by 4 cup of mango cubes, 1 by 4 cup of mashed avocados, 1 by 2 cup of mango juice, 1 by 4 cup of fat-free vanilla yogurt, 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 tablespoon sugar, 6 ice cubes. Combine all the ingredients into the blender and process until smooth. Pour into a tall glass. Garnish with a sliced mango or strawberries if you desire and serve. Just by adding smoothies to your regular daily diet, you can hasten your weight loss, boost your energy, enhance your health, and improve your appearance. Now that you know, make yourself a frozen smoothie today. Allah Hafiz.